There are 3 things you must do on a holiday. Chill, chill, and chill. And that's exactly what we are here for. Hi guys, my name is Anupama and welcome back to my channel Lifeaholic. I'm right now at Karjat at this really beautiful riverside property called as U Rivergate. In this video, I'll take you through our stay, the food, amenities and all the details about the property. And of course, towards the end of the video, I will also be sharing the cost details of our stay. And I'll let you guys decide whether this should be your next weekend getaway. Before we proceed into the room tour, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it. Let's go. They have many different categories of rooms over here and we have booked the river facing cottage and this is our home for the day. Of course, room के बीच में there is a big queen size bed and काफी कुशनी है. बेड के दोनों साइड they have given bedside tables with drawer and उसके बाजू में there is a work desk again with drawers, so काफी सारा storage space है. बेड के ठीक सामने there is a TV of course, लेके you can watch the TV and यहाँ पे there is a sofa where you can sit and enjoy some knickknacks over here. And then this side you have a cupboard. There is a place where you can just keep your bags if you don't want to really unpack. हमने अपना luggage पूरा dump कर दिया है यहाँ पे. Also इसके नीचे there is a drawer again where you can keep your stuff. Here there is a small tea coffee station and guess what? यहाँ पे one snack per day per person is free. So that's a yay. Plus mini fridge. Now of course the पैसा वसूल part of the room which is the balcony. This is actually your private space. काफी बड़ा है and this is a very good addition to the room. Not just a balcony but you get this whole big space where you can just walk around and यहाँ पे तुम बैठ सकते हो with the sound of the river. It's awesome. This is the Page River. अभी काफी अच्छा flow है and plus the water is really very clean. This resort is pretty much close to the nature. यहाँ पे river है, यहाँ पे greenery है. I mean perfect detox है ये. It's evening right now, तो हम लोग resort घूमने निकले हैं and the sun has set right now. हल्की हल्की हवा चल रही है. It's really very very peaceful over here. And another thing that I realized is that यहाँ पे बहुत सारे photos खींच सकते हैं. पीछे the background is looking so good. Green, white and blue. I love it. ये एक गार्डन है, सही लग रहा है, well made and there are a lot of places where you can just sit and also यहाँ से the river is so close. This is so good.
Welcome to Hawaii.
Hawaiian vibes. यहाँ पे lawns बहुत सारे हैं and बहुत बड़ा है. So if you're coming with a kid, then the kid is just going to have so much fun running around.
कैसे लग रहा है वॉक करके?
बहुत अच्छा है. It's so nice. Right now it's not raining. हमने सोचा था कि बारिश होगी, but right now it's not really raining. But the climate is so good. हवा भी चल रही है and it's so good to walk. Property काफ़ी बड़ी है. So once we checked in, reception से लेके room तक जाने के लिए there was a buggy that actually took us all the way and थोड़ा सा property tour भी दिया and he showed us like the different places. That's exactly what we are going to explore right now. As I said, resort काफ़ी बड़ी है, so my dad is not really missing his evening walk. बहुत है यहाँ पे चलने के लिए. So this is the Riverside Arena. Right now, gate is closed because it is monsoon season. Otherwise, यहाँ से the river is like really very very close. फिर भी थोड़ा सा close जाके देख सकते हैं. Water level काफी ऊपर है और flow काफी अच्छा है. I think this is the closest that you can be near the river in this property. काफी peaceful है यहाँ पे. During the non-monsoon times, वो लोग rocks के ऊपर they set up table and chair and you can sit and have your meal over there. Also activities के लिए यहाँ पे kayaking भी होता है. But because of the flow right now, the river is inaccessible. Mom, Dad went that way and now they are coming back. I think we have lost the way. It's so huge. यहाँ पे बहुत easily you can lose your way.
Lose your way and lose your weight.
2 hours later.
हम लोग रास्ता भूल गए थे. We kind of got lost and finally हम लोग cottage पहुँच गए हैं and we are just going to freshen up. And there is a bar over here और यहाँ पे stay के साथ complimentary 60 minutes of happy hour per night you will get. So we're just going to take advantage of that right now. Okay, if you've been enjoying the video till now, please hit that like button. The bar here was a totally different vibe. The interiors were stylish, had many of these quirky sayings and played banger music. Ordered some drinks and cocktails and had some finger foods along with it. We had such a good evening. It's the next day morning and we left for breakfast to the in-house restaurant, The Dog Kitchen. It was breakfast buffet and they have some healthy juices, South Indian, some Maharashtrian and Gujarati dishes, continental, cold cuts, live stations for parathas and egg dishes, breakfast cereals and of course tea coffee station with some cookies. Just as we were enjoying our breakfast, it finally started raining. Finally, it has started raining. बहुत सही लग रहा है. We were waiting yesterday the entire day for it to start raining and this is perfect. Kal, if you remember, we lost the way when we were just exploring the resort. So there were certain points that we missed to cover. तो अब भी हम जाने वाले हैं to cover all those spots. बारिश में तो इतना मजा आने वाला है. There are some cycles kept here and you can just take it and ride around the property. There are some kiddie cycles as well. Because the property is so huge, I think this is a very good idea and this is free of cost. We ditched the plan of cycling. अभी हम पैदल ही जा रहे हैं. They also have horse riding over here. So अगर आपको horse riding में interest है, so that is also an activity that you can do over here. अब we are headed to the bonsai garden.
They put these wires like this to stunt its growth.
Oh, small piece of the trunk and उसमें से the palm leaves are coming out. That is so cute. This is actually very good to see. Bonsai is like really very cute version of these big trees. So मुझे बहुत पसंद है देखने को. But the only thing is that since I am not plant enthusiast, मैं leaves देख के बता नहीं पा रही हूँ कि कौन सा tree कौन सा है. If you guys recognize any of these, then please let me know in the comment section. I would really love to know. This garden is really good, but I just wish they had written the names of these. So there are a lot of small such paths that lead up to the river जहाँ पे you can just go and be there. पूरा ये area आते ही you can just hear the flowing water and it's very calm. Just then it started slightly raining again and so we thought of visiting the Riverside Arena once again. अचानक से इतनी बारिश चालू हो गई and we are under one small umbrella. Both of us rushing to get back to our cottage. मैं पूरी भीग गई हूँ and this is how it looks. Okay, हम लोग completely drenched हो गए थे बारिश में and we had a long way to walk. But एक फरिश्ता जैसे एक buggy आ गया था and dropped us till our cottage. Anyways, we are about to check out right now, so I'll give you a small review of how everything was. This property is the perfect place. Like if you just want to get away from the city life and you just want to hit a reset button, just take a pause. This is a very, very good place. Like U Rivergate ticks a lot of boxes in that aspect. The room categories बहुत सारे हैं यहाँ पे बहुत सारे rooms हैं. So you have the pool facing rooms, you have the parkland rooms, the Superior King room, the river facing room, which is the one that we booked. This is the only category jahan se you can directly see the river. If you can, then please request for this particular room because yahan se sabse best river view aata hai. Other than that, बाकी सारे rooms भी are more or less similarly made. The only difference is that pool view rooms don't get a veranda, and plus the view is different in all category of rooms. The room is quite spacious and bed was the highlight because bed was really soft and मतलब बहुत अच्छी नींद आई हमें. The only thing is that I feel the room needs a little bit more maintenance, and also सारे toiletries नहीं दिया था which generally resorts में होते हैं, which we had to ask for, which was promptly given to us. And so the services is very good. The staff here is very, very good. They go the extra mile to make sure that everything is okay. Then coming to the resort itself, resort काफी बड़ी है and we had to walk a lot. As you saw, we even lost our way in between. बहुत greenery है यहाँ पे. So many open lawns, so many trees like good, and it was really pleasant to walk around. Totally switch off कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. As you go near to the river, you start getting this river का sound, the flowing sound, and it's just so therapeutic. You really start feeling very light. At least that's how I feel. Coming to the food here is okay, like average था. Breakfast buffet भी काफी अच्छा spread था, and I think the menu, they do have many options, but I feel taste wise it was just about average. They have an in-house restaurant, dog kitchen and bar Deja Brew, or you can also avail their in-room dining. Overall हमें काफी अच्छा लगा यहाँ पे stay करके, and I think the favorite part for me would be in the veranda having my coffee, and also just a while ago we like got really drenched in this rain. That was a very nice addition to the whole trip. For activities, resort में काफी कुछ है करने के लिए. You have the indoor game room, horse riding, bonsai garden, which I really enjoyed. Then you have the cycling, which is actually free of cost. Then there are adventure sports like zip line, archery, kayaking, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं which is going to keep you engaged during your stay. Kids are going to really enjoy because यहाँ पे play area अलग अलग locations पे है. Couples with kids, उनका stay यहाँ पे sorted हो जाता है. Also they have a spa and they have a gym. और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं करना है, then you can just sit in the veranda and enjoy the view. That is equally relaxing. Now coming to the cost, we paid 8,000 plus taxes per night for this room. Now this includes breakfast, complimentary 1,000 rupees voucher for spa plus 250 rupees voucher for adventure activities. This is the weekday rate. Weekend rate is of course going to be higher. Date wise प्राइस में थोड़ा सा फ्लक्चुएशंस हो सकता है. फूड यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव साइड पे है. अ मील फॉर 2 will cost you about 1,500 rupees, and I just feel that it's a little bit on the higher side, especially when the taste of the food was pretty average. यहाँ पे spa starts from 3,500, but उस पे of course stay के साथ है तो डिस्काउंट मिल जाता है. Adventure activities is 500 rupees per activity per person. I think that's about it. If there is anything else that I have missed out, then please let me know in the comment section and I will answer them. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, then please do hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel by clicking the red subscribe button below and the bell icon next to it. Until we meet again next time, stay tuned.